Hi, welcome to each and everyone. Today we are discussing about UGC NET and KSET Examination, Paper 1 subject, People and Environment. Let us discuss 10 important questions. Which of the following combinations represent renewable natural gas resources? Which of the following combination represent renewable natural gas resources? Renewable energy source means sustainable energy, something that cannot be destroyed or is endless like the sun. When you hear the term alternative energy, it is usually refers to the renewable energy sources. It means that source of energy most commonly used non-sustainable sources such as coal. The most popular renewable energy sources are currently solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, etc. So, the right option is option C. Fishes, fertile soil and fresh water are renewable natural gas resources. So, option C is the right answer. Next, come to second question. Match the following: World Health Day, World Population Day, World Ozone Day, World AIDS Day. Here in the next column, they have given the dates, important dates, and in the options, they have given for A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us discuss one by one. World Health Day. World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April. The World Health Organization was firstly celebrated in 1948 for the economic progress as healthy populations live longer and more productive. So, World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April. 7th April. Next is World Population Day. World Population Day celebrated on 11th July. 11th July. It refers to getting the focus on the issue of related to the population. It was firstly celebrated in the year 1989. So, World Population Day in 11th July. Next is World Ozone Day. World Ozone Day is celebrated on 16th September. The day celebrated to protect against ozone depletion. Firstly, it was celebrated in 1987. So, World Ozone Day is celebrated on 16th September. World AIDS Day. World AIDS Day is celebrated 1st December. This is celebrated for the spread of awareness among the people to stop AIDS. It was firstly celebrated in 1988. So, World AIDS Day on 1st December. Let us come to the options. For A option, fourth one. Here in the option B is the right answer. Next, come to third question. Lehera is a natural disaster involving eruption of large amount of material, strong winds, strong water waves, strong winds and water waves. What is Lehera? Lehera is a natural disaster. It involving eruption of large amount of material. It is a kind of volcanic eruptions. It include mud, rocks and ash sliding down the side of the volcano at a rapid pace. When a large amount of volcanic ash mixes with the flood water, then it is named as Lehera. So, in Lehera is involving eruption of large amount of materials. So, option A is the right answer. Next come to fourth question. Which one of the following greenhouse gases has the shortest residence time in the atmosphere? Chlorofluorocarbon, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. Greenhouse gas has the shortest residence time in the atmosphere is methane. Methane has the shortest residence time in the atmosphere. It is one of the greenhouse gas. It has a residence time in 9 years. So, methane is the right answer. Option C. Next come to fifth question. The Natural Disaster Management Authority functions under the Union Ministry of Environment, Water Resources, Home Affairs, Defense. Natural Disaster Management Authority is a crown body of Indian government to lay down the policies related to disaster management, which functions under the main department, Union Ministry of Home Affairs. This authority headed by the Prime Minister of India. It has 5 major divisions. One is policy and plans, second one is migration, third one is operation and communication, fourth one is communication and technology, fifth one is administration and finance. So, National Disaster Management Authority functions under the Union Ministry of Home Affairs. So, option C is the right answer. Next come to sixth question. Women are closer to nature than men. What of perspective is this? Women are closer to nature than men. It is a what type of perspective? It is a essentialist, realist, essentialist, feminist or deep ecology. The right answer is essentialist. Essentialist is the view that for a particular substance there are many aspects that are important to its character and capacity. Women liberalization watches as far as to force in close and personal communication just inside as a social structure. So, option B is the right answer, essentialist. Next, come to seventh question. Kyoto Protocol is related to ozone depletion, hazardous waste, climate change, nuclear energy. Kyoto Protocol is related to ozone depletion. It reduces the emissions of carbon dioxide by encouraging the greenhouse effect. In ozone depletion occurs at the upper atmosphere and ground level of the earth. This surface protects us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. But nowadays, due to highly polluted environment, this surface getting affected very badly. So, Kyoto Protocol is related to ozone depletion to protect the ozone layer. Option A is the right answer. Next is 8th question. Which of the following is a source of methane? Source of methane. Wetlands are the main source of methane. Wetlands emits approximately 30% of the methane gas. It is produced from wet soils. It is also changes the climate from cold to warm. It also include decay of organic materials, digestion of food. So, the important is that methane is produced from the wet lands or wet soils. So, option A is the right answer. Next come to 9th question. Minamata disaster in Japan was caused by the pollutant lead, mercury, zinc, sulfate. Minamata disease was first discovered in Japan 1956 in the city of Minamata. Minamata disease is highly toxic and it is caused by mercury poisoning. When eaten by local pollutions, it is significant symptoms that the Minamata disease symptoms that sensory disturbance, hearing disorders, etc. So, Minamata disease is caused due to the pollutant of mercury. So, option B is the right answer. Next, come to 10th question. Irritation in eyes is caused by the pollutant sulfur dioxide, ozone, pan, nitrous oxide. Irritation in eyes is caused by the pollutant pan. Pan means peroxyacetyl nitrates. Pollution of burning biomass and reaction of sunlight and heat are the causes of smog. In winter, there is more heat in biomass smog. It will causes of pan. Pan means peroxyacetyl nitrates. Peroxyacetyl nitrates. Nitrates. Peroxyacetyl nitrates. So, for option C is right answer. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.